Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious dirt pudding. First, gather your ingredients: 2 packages of instant chocolate pudding mix, 3 cups of cold milk, and 1 8-ounce container of whipped topping. Don't forget 1 package of chocolate sandwich cookies, crushed finely for the dirt effect. You'll also need a 9 by 13-inch pan or several individual serving cups for assembly. Now, let's get started on the pudding base. In a large bowl, whisk together the 2 packages of instant chocolate pudding mix with 3 cups of cold milk. Continue whisking for about 2 minutes until the mixture thickens. Then, place it in the refrigerator for 5 minutes to set. After chilling, gently fold in half of the 8-ounce container of whipped topping until it's well combined. Time to assemble our delicious dirt pudding. Start by spreading a generous layer of your finely crushed chocolate sandwich cookies at the bottom of your chosen pan or individual cups. Next, carefully spoon half of your prepared pudding mixture over the cookie layer, spreading it evenly. Repeat these layers, adding more cookies, then the remaining pudding, and finally, finish with a thick, satisfying top layer of dirt cookies. Once assembled, cover your dirt pudding and refrigerate it for at least 1 hour. This allows the flavors to meld and the pudding to firm up perfectly. Before serving, add some fun garnishes like gummy worms or candy flowers to complete the dirt theme. It's a fantastic treat for parties or just a fun dessert at home. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, as well as other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.